Assalamualaikum, my dear students of class 2. I, your teacher Miss Aisha, is back with another lesson related to the last lesson which we have learned. In this exercise, my dear students, which is related to the chapter of Noor, we have just read. In this exercise, we have to fill the blanks with these words given in the box. So, the first one is done for you. Noor's mother spoke sharply. When Noor was misbehaving with the things, Noor's mother spoke to Noor very sharply. So, first one is Noor went upstairs angrily. When his father scolded Noor, Noor went upstairs in anger. Second one is he lay on his bed and cried loudly. When Noor jumped off the eagle's back, he turned round. How did he turn round? He turned round quickly because there were so many monsters on that land. The monsters walked towards him slowly. The monster on that island was coming towards Noor very slowly. And the last one is when Noor went home, he said sorry nicely. When he went to his home, there was a chit in which it was written that if you are sorry, come and have dinner with us. So he at the end of the day said sorry to his family and had the dinner. In this exercise, my dear students, which is exercise C of page number 55, we have to match these verbs with their past tense. Here we have the present tense and then we have to match them with their past tense. Just like this one, the past tense of fight is fought, fly, flew. Then stand, the second form of stand is stood, give, gave, sing, sang, go, went, win, won, say, said. Right? Just let's repeat it again. Fight. The second form of fight is fought. Fly, flew, stand, stood, give, gave, sing, sang, go, went, win, won, and the last one is say, said. Okay, students, the topic which we are going to start now is adjectives. And what are adjectives? Adjectives are those words in which we are describing about the particular thing. As you all can see of the definition, adjectives are the word that describes, that modifies or adds some more meaning, more description to the word that are usually nouns or pronouns, right? As you all can see, we have few birds over here, right? Here the bird is without any color, so there is no adjective added. But if you can see over here, I have put some colors in the bird, so we can specify them, we can describe them. If I ask you, where is the blue bird? You will say at your right side, right? The very right side is the blue bird. This blue is the adjective. It's giving more meaning to this noun. Bird is a noun, right? So here this blue is giving more meaning to this noun. Then this green and this yellow is also given some new words, some description about the nouns. Here all are birds, but what's the description of the birds are? Here this one is the blue bird, here this one is the green bird, and here this one is the blue bird. There are some more adjectives for you guys like charming, cruel, fantastic, gentle, huge. These are the words through which we describe the personality, right? Then there are two types of adjectives, qualitative and quantitative. Here we are talking about the qualitative adjectives, means the thing which is about to give some more description of the quality of the thing. Just like I have to show you a thing. Here I am holding two E's, right? I am holding two E. This one is a big capital E and it's of red color. But this one is a small e in blue color, right? This one is the big, this one is small. These are the description of E. Now if I'll say grab the big E, the capital one, so you will grab this E. If I'll say grab the E in blue color, then you will grab this one, right? It's for your help through which you can get the idea of the things. Now, the next one, these are the quantitative, like how much quantity do you have of that particular thing, of that particular noun. Like 1 second, 3 boys, few cars, several people. Right now, I am having 2 rings in my hand, right? There are 2 rings in my hand. I am holding 2 rings. These are the the quantity adjective of the things of the noun I am holding. Now, let's move forward to some adjectives more. Here you can see there is a boy who is happy. You can clearly see the face of that person and tell how he is feeling right now. If I hide this one, you can easily tell that this boy is sad. This, by having the sight of the picture, you can tell that this curtain is open and this curtain is closed. These are the few adjectives which are describing the particular picture of the thing, and you can easily tell them by seeing the picture. So, my dear students, I guess it's clear for you all. Here are some translation which you have to do in your copy. The first one is, ये ऊंची इमारत है. Either we are talking about imarat, which is ऊंची. So this building is a tall building. Here we talking about a building which is tall. This tall is the adjective which is describing how long, how tall is a building. कराची बड़ा शहर है. Karachi is a big city. Sara अच्छी लड़की है. Sara is a good girl, right? Here we are talking about Sara. Whose quality is that? She is a good girl. It's the quality of Sara that she is a good girl. Gulab lal hai. Rose is red. Here the red is the quality of red. Oh, sorry, rose. मेरी जमात में 30 तालिबे इल्म हैं. There are 30 students in my class. Here, my dear students, you can see we are talking about the quantity of the students. How many students are there in the class? There are 30 students. Here we were talking about the quality, and here we are talking about the quantity. So, my dear students, we have covered 2 exercises in this lesson, and after that we have learned some amazing things about adjectives so that you can tell something more about the nouns around you. Go have a look in your room and add some describing word with your mother that my bed is a huge bed, I have a tall cupboard, which color is of your room, and tell your parents that these are called the adjectives so that you can keep it in your mind. That's all for today's lesson. Hope to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.